Write in short about Gongroseria stage. The Gongroseria stage is a reproductive stage of the alga Vaucheria, where the filamentous divides into numerous thick walled resting spores called sites or echinates. Uh, sites or echinates alena. Sites or echinates. This creates a branching appearance resemble the alga Gongroseria. Hence the name. When favorable conditions returns, these sites germinate to form a new Vaucheria thyli. Formations it occurs during unfavorable conditions like desiccations or low temperatures. उसके बाद फिर क्या चले structure. A single filament is divided by cross walls with many small compartments, each containing each containing बना दें कैसे हम containing कहाँ से contain कर ले यार each containing बताते हैं कहाँ से हमें each containing a thick walled sites or a spore. इसके बाद फिर बताते हैं क्या चाहिए रुकना बताते हैं क्या चाहिए appearance ना ले the collective structure of these attached sites on germinates to sites on filament sites on the parent filament resemble the alga Gongroseria. इसके बाद फिर क्या से हमें germination under favorable conditions. The sites ruptures, the protoplast emerges, eventually developing into a new Vaucheria filaments. कैसे हले पचवा में कैसे हले सर्वाइवल हले ना सर्वाइवल कैसे हले सर्वाइवल हले कैसे सर्वाइवल ना हले सर्वाइवल the stage allows Vaucheria to survive, and the stage allows Vaucheria to survive. The stage allows Vaucheria to survive, and the stage allows Vaucheria to survive है ना the stage allows Vaucheria to survive. उसके बाद फिर कैसे है the stage allows Vaucheria to survive. 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 और cold in adornment. ठीक इसके बाद फिर क्या बोलते हैं से कैसे हले thick walls. Each segments develop a thick. Each segments develop a thick protective gelatinous walls, becoming a resting spore is known as an echinate or hypnospores. Occurrence Alina. This stage is found in Vaucheria species, particularly terrestrial ones. इसके बाद फिर लास्ट में क्या चाहिए फंक्शंस न हलाई दिस नहीं रुकना बचाते हैं क्या चाहिए लास्ट आंसर में मतलब क्या चाहिए दिस बड़े इजी हलाई क्या से हलाई this stage is resting it is a resting stage allowing to survive harsh conditions allowing to survive harsh condition in dormant states. In short, the Gongroseria stage of the in the short the Gongroseria stage of the Gongroseria stage of the where the Wucheria filament participations into the hardy resting spores, hardy resting spores, mimicking the structure of the Alga Gongroseria. Answer complete.